application of derivatives, in that we study tangents and normals. Suppose this is a curve. This is a line at point P, that is x1, y1. This is tangent. This is y is equal to fx, any curve. So, slope of tangent, let y is equal to fx be a curve, then slope m is equal to dy by dx at point P, x1, y1 is called slope of tangent. इसका slope of tangent at point x1, y1, at point x1, y1. Now slope of normal, slope of normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. This is called normal. Normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. So slope of normal is equal to m of normal is equal to minus 1 upon m. That is minus 1 upon slope of tangent, or you can say that minus 1 upon dy by dx at point x1, y1. Now, what is the equation of tangent? What is the equation of tangent at point x1, y1? Equation of tangent at point x1, y1, it is a line, so y minus y1 dy by dx is into x minus x1. It is the equation of tangent at point x1, y1. Equation of normal at point x1, y1, it is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx x minus x1. So slope of tangent, slope of normal, equation of tangent, equation of normal. Now, some important points about tangent and normal, some important points. Important points. Number one, if dy by dx is equal to 0, अगर dy by dx 0 है, it means tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. If dy by dx is not defined means that is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 0, it means tangent is parallel to y-axis. Tangent is parallel to y-axis. Third point, if a tangent is parallel to a line, suppose line के parallel है, if a tangent is parallel to line, then the condition is m is equal to m1. Suppose this is a slope of tangent is m and slope of line is m1, so m is equal to m1. Fourth point, if a tangent is perpendicular to line, then what is the condition? Condition is m1 into m into m1 is equal to minus 1. अगर perpendicular line है tangent के, that is normal वाली condition, then m1 into m2 is m of tangent into m1 is slope of line. The product is -1. If two curves cut orthogonal, if two curves cut orthogonal means 90-degree bend, then also slope of first curve into slope of second curve is equal to -1. If tangent makes an angle theta with the positive direction, then m is equal to tan theta. Exercise 6.3. Question number first. Find the slope of tangent. कर्व दिया हुआ है. कर्व इज y is equal to 3x4 minus 4x at x is equal to 4. Now see, what is the slope? Slope is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 3 into 4 x cube. Differentiation of x to the power 4 is 4x cube minus 4x का 4. So dy by dx at x is equal to 4. 3 into 4 12. 4 का cube minus 4. So it is 12 into 64 minus 4. If you multiply 12 into 64, you will get 8 and 1 7. You will get 7. 12 into 64, you will get 768. 2 4 is 8 minus 4, and it is 764. Now I take another question, that is question number 2. Find the slope of tangent. Find the slope of tangent. इस बार कर्व दिया हुआ है y is equal to x minus 1 upon x minus 2. x not equals to 2 at x is equal to 10 पे आपको स्लोप निकालना है. 2 ले लेंगे तो ये नॉट डिफाइंड हो जाएगा पॉइंट. सो अप्लाई quotient rule. dy by dx is equal to denominator का स्क्वायर, denominator differentiate of numerator into 1 x minus 1 minus numerator differentiate of denominator x minus 2 का क्या हो गया 1. So it is x minus 2 minus x plus 1 upon minus x और ये plus 1 upon x minus 2 का whole square. Now see here, this x and x cancelled out and minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x minus 2 का whole square. So dy by dx at x is equal to किस पे 10 पे minus 1 upon 10 minus 2 का whole square. It means minus 1 upon 8 का whole square. It means minus 1 upon 64. Question 4. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Curve is y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2. Y is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 2 at point whose x coordinate is 3. You have to find the slope of tangent. So simple. You have to find dy by dx 3x square minus 3. So dy by dx at x is equal to 3. 3 का square minus 3. 3 is a 9. 27 minus 3 is equal to 24. Now question number 5. See question number 5. Find the slope of the normal to the curve. Now we have to find slope of normal. Curve is given to you, x is equal to a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, at theta is equal to pi by 4. Theta is equal to pi by 4. Now see here, dx by d theta. First we find dy by dx. So differentiate x with respect to theta. It is 3a cos square theta minus sin theta, comma dy by d theta is equal to 3a sin square theta cos theta. Now this is 1, this is 2, 2 upon 1, that is dy by dx is equal to 3a sin square theta into cos theta upon minus 3a cos square theta into sin theta. 1 cos cancel, 1 sin cancel, 3a cancel. So dy by dx is equal to minus 10 theta, and theta is given to you. So dy by dx, this is the slope of normal, this is the slope of tangent. We have to find slope of normal. So slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx. So it is minus 1 upon minus 10 theta. So this is cancel out, and 10 theta 1 upon 10 pi by 4, and 10 pi by 4 is equal to 1. So slope of normal is equal to 1. M of normal is equal to 1. M of normal is equal to 1. Question 7. Find the points. Find the points at which tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x plus 7 is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. Find the points at which tangent is parallel to, tangent किसके parallel है? x-axis के parallel. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. तो जब tangent x-axis के parallel है, तो it means slope of tangent equal to parallel to x-axis. So slope of tangent is parallel to x-axis क्या होता है? 0. Slope of tangent parallel to x-axis means dy by dx is equal to 0 is given to you. Okay. Now find dy by dx. 3x square minus 6x minus 9. Now dy by dx is 0. So slope of tangent is equal to 0 given to you. So 0 is equal to 3 common ले लीजिए, x square minus 2x minus 3. Now see here, x square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3 के फैक्टर करें कि 2 आ जाए, तो x square minus 3x plus x minus 3 is equal to 0. X common, x minus 3 plus 1 common, x minus 3 is equal to 0. X minus 3, x plus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 1 and 3. Minus 1 and 3. This is the value of x. Now if at x is equal to minus 1, put in curve. इसको कहाँ रख दीजिए? Put in curve. So you will get y. Y is equal to minus 1 का क्यूब minus 3 minus 1 का स्क्वायर minus 9 into minus 1 plus 7 plus 7. Now see, minus 1 minus 3, because it is plus 1 minus 3 plus 9 and plus 7. So 16 minus 4 plus 16 is equal to 12. So first point is minus 1 comma 12. Now at x is equal to, इस पे रखेंगे at x is equal to 3. Now y is equal to 3 का क्यूब minus 3 into 3 का स्क्वायर minus 9 into 3 plus 7. Now see here, y is equal to 27 minus 27 minus 27 plus 7. This 27 cancelled out. Y is equal to minus 20. Now the point is 3 comma minus 20. One this point and one this point. Question number 8. Find a point on the curve. Find point on curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which tangent is parallel to chord, at which tangent is parallel to chord. Joining points दिए हुए chord के joining points 2, 0 and 4, 4. 2, 0 and 4, 4. 2, 0 and 4, 4. Now, in this question we see that tangent is parallel to curve. Tangent is parallel to chord, like this. This is a chord AB and this is a tangent. These are parallel. This is parallel. Now when tangent is parallel to chord, the condition is when tangent is parallel to chord implies slope of tangent is equal to slope of chord. So what is slope of tangent? Dy by dx. Slope of tangent dy by dx is equal to, at point x1 y1 then the slope of tangent is dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2. This is slope of tangent. And slope of chord. Slope of chord, you know that it is denoted by m. y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. दो पॉइंट से पास होने वाली लाइन का स्लोप यही होता है. So it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, 4 minus 0 upon 4 minus 2, यानी कि 4 upon 2 is equal to 2. Now these two put in equation 1, we get slope of tangent 2x minus 2 and slope of chord is equal to 2. This will cut and this is 1. So x minus 2 is equal to 1. So x is equal to 3. So इसको किस में रख देंगे? Point put in curve, you will get y point. Put in curve, कर्व में रख दीजिए y is equal to 3 minus 2 का whole square, means it is y is equal to 3 minus 2, it means 1 का whole square is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1. तो point क्या आ गए? 3, 1. Question number 10. Find the equation of all lines. Find the equation of all lines having slope is equal to -1, having slope -1 that are tangent to the curve, tangent to curve y is equal to 1 upon x minus 1 and x not equals to 1, क्योंकि not defined हो जाएगा. So find the equation of all lines. ठीक. Now solution dy by dx क्या होएगा? इसको या तो आप ऐसे लिख लीजिए y is equal to x minus 1 की पावर -1. Now dy by dx is equal to function of function से कर दीजिए n x n minus 1, n x n minus 1, x minus 1 minus 2, x का क्या होगा 1 ही होगा. So dy by dx is equal to -1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Now slope is given to you, dy by dx is given to you. What is -1? It is given dy by dx given है is equal to -1. So put here -1 is equal to -1 upon x minus 1 whole square. Minus minus cancelled out, cross multiply, x minus 1 whole square is equal to 1. Now taking square root, you will get x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 1. If you take plus, positive sign, so x minus 1 is equal to 1, so x is equal to 2. If you take negative sign, x minus 1 is equal to -1, this -1 is plus 1, so x is equal to 0. So at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 2, y is equal to what? Y is equal to 1 upon 2 minus 1, यानी कि y is equal to 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. So the point is 2, 1. Point is 2, 1. So equation of tangent at 2, 1. Y minus y1 dy by dx x minus x1. So y, this is x1 y1, so y1 is 1, dy by dx is -1, x minus 2. So y minus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2. Now x को इधर ले आइए, x plus y and 2 को इधर ले आइए, तो ये हो जाएगा -3 is equal to 0. This is the one equation. Now at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 0, put in 1, then y is equal to 1 upon 0 minus 1, यानी कि 1. So the point is 0, 1, 0, minus 1, 0, it is -1. So equation of tangent is y minus y1 m, यानी कि dy by dx x minus x1. Now y plus 1 is equal to x to 1 0. Chapter 6, topic tangents and normals, exercise 6.3, question number 12. Find the equation of all lines having slope. Find equation of all lines, slope क्या दिया हुआ है? Slope is equal to 0 which are tangent to the curve टू द कर्व दिया हुआ है y इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x प्लस 3. So we have to find the equation of all lines having slope 0 which are tangent to the curve. So we don't know the point, किस point पे tangents होंगी lines. So let the point be x and y. It satisfies, ये जो point है किसको satisfies करेगा, curve को satisfy करेगा. So y1 is equal to 1 upon x1 square minus 2x1 plus 3. Now slope क्या होता है, dy by dx है ना. तो we can write y is equal to, or you can write y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 3 minus 1, ऊपर ले गए power minus. Now differentiate it, dy by dx is equal to minus x square minus 2x plus 3 minus 1 minus 2 into differentiate of this function of function 2x minus 2 plus 3 का 0. So finally dy by dx is equal to क्या आ गया, minus 2 कॉमन ले लीजिए, x minus 1 x square minus 2x plus 3 की पावर 2. Now we find dy by dx at x1 y1 क्या होएगा, dy by dx at x1 y1 minus 2 x1 minus 1 x1 square minus 2x1 plus 3 पॉइंट स्लोप को भी सेटिस्फाइड करेगा. सो गिवन क्या है, गिवन इज dy by dx is equal to क्या दिया हुआ है, dy by dx क्या दिया है, 0. if you put 0 minus 2x1 minus 1 upon x1 square minus 2x1 plus 3 whole square 0. जब क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या बचेगा, माइनस 2 x1 माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. ये 0 चला जाएगा, x1 इज इक्वल टू क्या आ गया, 1. इसको किस में रखते हैं, put in 1 you will get y1, आपको पॉइंट मिल जाएंगे, y1 आ जाएगा 1 का स्क्वायर करेंगे 1 ही आएगा, माइनस 2 into 1 माइनस 2 प्लस 3. तो ये y1 कितना हो गया, 3 plus 4 1 by 2. So equation of tangent at किस पे 1 by 2 पे क्या होगी, फार्मूला क्या है, y minus y1 स्लोप dy by dx is equal to into x minus x1. So dy by dx 0 है, 0 into something 0, y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0 into something is 0. So this implies y is equal to 1 by 2. Question 13. Find the point on the curve. Find the point on curve is given to you, x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. Number 1. Find the point on the curve at which tangents are, number 1, पहले क्या दिया, पैरेलल टू x axis, second is given to you parallel to y axis. It means in this parallel to x axis dy by dx is equal to 0. In this not defined, dy by dx is not defined, 1 upon 0. So apply those two conditions, find the point on the curve. इस कर्व पे क्या पॉइंट होंगे, so let the point be x1 y1, let the point be x1 y1, so it सेटिस्फाइज इट। तो क्या हो जाएगा, सेटिस्फाई करेंगे x1 स्क्वायर अपॉन 9 y1 स्क्वायर अपॉन 16 इज इक्वल टू 1। now we have to find the slope of the curve. Slope of the curve is dy by dx. So slope of the curve, we have to find slope of the curve. It is a equation form, so we will differentiate with respect to full equation with x. So it is 2x upon 9 plus 2y upon 16 dy by dx, और 1 का हो गया 0, so 2y dy by dx, 2y upon 16 dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon 9. So what is the value of dy by dx? 2 से 2 cancelled out, so finally dy by dx is equal to 16 उधर चला जाएगा, y नीचे आ जाएगा, minus 16 upon 9 x upon y. This is dy by dx. So dy by dx at x1 y1 क्या हो जाएगा, minus 16 upon 9 x1 y1 at x1 y1 divided by minus 16 upon 9. Now take first condition. What is the first condition given to you? dy by dx is equal to 0. So put dy by dx minus 16 upon 9 x1 y1 is equal to 0. It means minus 16 x1 is equal to 0. So x1 is equal to 0. If x1 is equal to 0, put in first equation. This we will take first. Put in 1. इसमें रख दीजिए, तो क्या आ जाएगा, y x तो 0 हो गया, y1 square upon 16 is equal to 1, y1 square is equal to 16, y is equal to y1 is equal to plus minus 4. So इसका पॉइंट आ गया, x1 आ गया 0, plus minus 4. Now second part is given to you, dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 0. So this is dy by dx minus 16 upon 9 x1 upon y1 is equal to 1 upon 0. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आ जाएगा, 0 is equal to 9y1, y1 is equal to 0, put in 1, यहाँ y1 0 रख देंगे, तो x1 square upon 9 is equal to 1. So x is equal to क्या आ जाएगा, plus minus 3. So पॉइंट क्या आ गए, plus minus 3, 0. Question number 14. Find the equation of tangent and normals. क्या निकालना है? Find the equation of tangent and normal at given point. Curve दिया हुआ है, I will take second part. Curve दिया हुआ है, y is equal to x to the power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 x4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 1, 3. Now equation of tangent and normal. So first we find slope dy by dx. पॉइंट मानने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, 1, 3 दिया हुआ है. dy by dx is equal to 4x cube minus 3 into 6 minus 18x square, it is square I think, plus 26x minus 10. Now dy by dx at x is equal to 1, 3 x. So 4 1 का cube minus 18 1 का square plus 26 1 minus 10. So it is 4 minus 18 plus 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. So it is plus 26 and plus 4, 30. 30 minus 28 is equal to 2. So dy by dx at 1, 3 is 2. So equation of tangent Now I will find equation of tangent at 1 comma 3 y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1 x minus x1. Now what is y1? Y minus 3 is equal to what is dy by dx? 2 x minus x1. x1 क्या है? 1. So y minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2. So 2x को इधर रहने दीजिए या y को इधर रहने दीजिए. y is equal to 2x plus 2x plus 1. This is the equation of tangent. Y is equal to 2x plus 1. Now equation of normal at 1 comma 3. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx x minus x1. Putting the values, what is y1? Y minus 3 minus 1 upon this dy by dx is 2. So put here 2 x minus x1. Now cross multiply 2y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 1. So x plus 2y, this 1 will come here, minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the equation of normal. Question 15. Find the equation of a tangent to a line. Find क्या करना है? Equation of tangent to the curve. कर्व दिया हुआ है. To curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is number 1 a parallel to the line, parallel to, this is symbol of parallel to the line, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0, and b part perpendicular to line 5y minus 15x is equal to 13. This is the question. We have to find equation of tangent. So now any point on the curve B, I will take, let the point be x1 y1. Let the point be x1 y1, so it satisfies curve y1 is equal to x1 square minus 2x1 plus 7. Now slope of tangent dy by dx, slope of tangent is equal to 2x minus 2. Now dy by dx at x1 y1, 2x1 minus 2. Now this slope, in first case, in a part, this slope is parallel to the line. This slope is parallel to the line, so it is given in a case slope of tangent equal to slope of line. Slope of tangent is equal to slope of line. What is the slope of line? Minus slope of tangent is this, and slope of line you can calculate here. It is slope of line. क्या होता है? I will take m is equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of y. Minus coefficient of x का coefficient है 2 और y का है -1, so slope is 2. So slope of tangent is 2x1 minus 2, and slope of line we calculated here, it is 2, so put it here 2, take 2 common, x1 minus 1 is equal to 2, this is cancelled out, x1 minus 1 is equal to 1, x1 is equal to 2. Put in 1, you will get y1. y1 is equal to 2 का स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 2 प्लस 7, दिस इज 4 minus 4 plus 7, it means y1 is equal to 7. Point आ गया 2,7. So equation of tangent at 2,7, y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx, x minus x1, y minus y1 is equal to, what is dy by dx? dy by dx is 2, x minus 2, y minus 7 is equal to 2x minus 4. So it is 2x minus y, 7 को उधर ले जाइए तो ये plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation of tangent. Now B part, slope of line. इसमें slope of line क्या होगा? What is the slope of line in B part? इसका स्लोप क्या होगा? इन बी पार्ट में स्लोप ऑफ लाइन क्या होगा? स्लोप ऑफ लाइन बी इन बी पार्ट एम, इसको m1 मान लीजिए, इसका क्या हो जाएगा? स्लोप माइनस कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x माइनस 15 अपॉन 5, दिस माइनस माइनस कट, दिस इज 3. स्लोप ऑफ लाइन इज 3, तो स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट क्या हो जाएगा? स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट क्या हो जाएगा? स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट हो जाएगा, ये परपेंडिकुलर है तो टेंजेंट हो जाएगा माइनस 1 अपॉन m1. सो इट इज माइनस 1 बाय 3. इट इज माइनस 1 बाय 3. सो कंडीशन हो गई स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट इज इक्वल टू स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट. एक्चुअल में कितना निकाला अपन ने? व्हाट इज द स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट? 2x1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1 by 3. Now take 2 common. So x1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this implies x1 minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 6. x1 is equal to 1 minus 1 by 6. Then x1 is equal to 5 by 6. x1 क्या आ गया? 5 by 6. So x1 is 5 by 6. Now I will do here. The remaining part I will do here. Now x1 is 5 by 6. So put in equation 2. x1 is equal to, I have 5 by 6. Put in 1. So y1 is equal to 5 by 6 का whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7. So y1 is equal to 25 upon 36 minus 10 upon 6 plus 7. So y1 36, you can take LCM, 25 minus 60 and 36 into 7, 7 6 are 42, 252 plus 25, 252 77 है ना? 277 minus 60 upon 36, so it is 217 upon 36. y1 is 217 upon 36. So equation of normal at किस पॉइंट पे लेंगे? इक्वेशन ऑफ नॉर्मल एट x क्या था? 5 by 6, 217 upon 36. So you can calculate y minus y1, 217 upon 36, and slope of line is minus 1 by 3 and x minus 5 by 6. Now you can solve. Okay, take 36 LCM. 36y minus 217 upon 36. Here you take 6 LCM minus 1 by 3 into 6, 18, and this is 6x minus 5. Now 18 to the 36, so it is 36y minus 217 minus 6x is equal to minus 6x plus 5. Minus 6x plus 5. Now you see that it is, now you can see that it comes to be, if you divide by 5 को इधर ले आइए तो it is minus 2 and 36y plus 6x and plus 220. You can solve. Question number 18. For the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2 to the power x5, find all the points at which tangent passes through origin. टेंजेंट कहां से पास हो रहा है? ओरिजिन से. So let the point be x1 y1, so it satisfies curve. We get y1 is equal to 4x1 cube minus 2x15. Now what is the slope of tangent? dy by dx is equal to 4 is a 12x square minus 10x to the power 4. So dy by dx at x1 y1, 12x1 square minus 10x1 4. So equation of tangent is at point x1 y1 is equation of tangent at x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx. What is dy by dx? This is dy by dx. Instead of y minus y1 is equal to dy by dx, so 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 4 into x minus x1. Now this tangent is passes through. Now above equation passes through origin. Passes through origin 0 0. So it satisfied it. 0 minus y1 is equal to 12 x1 square minus 10 x1 4, 0 minus x1. Now minus y1 is equal to, multiply this, minus 12 x1 cube minus x1 cube and minus minus plus 10 x1 5, 10 x1 to the power 5. This minus transpose there. So y1 is equal to 12 x1 cube and minus 10 x1 5. Now put the value of y1 from equation 1. Put value of y1 from equation 1. We get y1 की जगह रख दीजिए. Instead of y1 you can write 4x1 cube minus 2x15 is equal to 12 x1 cube minus 10 x15. Now see here, 10 will come that side, so 10 minus 2, it is 8 x15 and 12, ये क्यूब उधर चला जाएगा और ये 5 इधर आ जाएगा, तो क्यूब उधर जाएगा, 12 में से 4 गया 8 x1 cube, 8 8 cancel and this part comes 2, so x1 square is equal to क्या आ गया 1. This implies x1 is equal to plus minus 1. Now if I take x1 is equal to 1 and put in 1, we get y1 is equal to, y1 कितना आ जाएगा 4 into 1 का क्यूब minus 2 1 की पावर 5, 1 की पावर 5, तो y1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. This implies y1 is equal to 2. एक पॉइंट आ गया 1, 2. If I take x is equal to -1 and put in 1, we get y1 is equal to 4 into -1 का cube, 4 into -1 का cube minus 2 into -1 की power 5. So it is y1 is equal to 4 minus 4 and 2 into ये minus minus plus हो जाएगा, ये plus 2 यानी कि -2. y1 is -2, so another point is -1 and -2. These are the 2 points. क्या पॉइंट आ गए 1, 2, -1, -2 और 0, 0 तो Question 21. Find the equation of the normal. Find equation of normal to the curve. Curve is given to you. Y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6, and which are parallel to the line and which are parallel to line. X plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a curve and find the equation of the normal. This is normal and normal is parallel to this line. So slope of normal, इधर क्या होगा, slope of normal is equal to slope of line. This condition is given to you. Slope of normal is equal to slope of line. Now, at the point, let the point at which normal is there, let the point be x1, y1, so it satisfies curve. y1 is equal to x1 cube plus 2x1 plus 6. Now dy by dx is equal to 3x square plus 2 और 6 का हो गया 0. dy by dx at x1 y1 3x1 square plus 2. Now slope of line, take it m1. So minus coefficient of x, slope of line क्या होता है minus, this is the line, है ना. Line क्या दी हुई है x plus 14y plus 4. So minus coefficient of x minus 1 upon coefficient of y. This is slope of line. And what is given to you? Slope of normal to the curve. क्या होगा? Slope of normal to curve is equal to क्या होता है -1 upon dy by dx. So dy by dx is 3x1 square, so it is -1 upon 3x1 square plus 2. Now this is the condition. Slope of normal is equal to slope of line. Put in this, these both are equate 1 and 2. Slope of normal, it is given to you, slope of normal is equal to slope of line. Slope of normal is -1 upon 3x1 square plus 2 -1 upon 14. Minus cancel out. Now you cross multiplied it, you will get 14 is equal to 3x1 square plus 2. So this implies 3x1 square is equal to 12. This is 4. So x1 square is equal to 4. This implies x1 is equal to plus minus 2. Plus minus 2. x1 is equal to plus minus 2. Put in 1. Put in 1. If I take x1 is equal to 2, so this implies y1 is equal to 2 का cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. It becomes 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 8, 18. y1 is equal to 18. The point becomes 2, 18. 8 point आ गया आपके 2, 18. Now if I take x1 is equal to minus 2, y1 is equal to minus 2 का cube. This is plus 2 into minus 2 plus 6. So it is minus 8 and minus 4. Minus 8, minus 4, minus 12 plus 6. It is minus 6. So second point आ गया 2, minus 2, minus 6. So equation of normal इन दोनों पॉइंट में निकालेंगे at 2, 18 पे निकालते हैं y minus y1. What is the slope of normal? Instead of y1 you can write 18 and slope of normal is this minus 1 upon 14. Slope of normal is minus 1 upon 14. Now x minus x1 2. So you multiplied it 14y 14y 14 into 18 18 into 14 8 4 the 32 3 7 8 and 1 2 5 252 252 minus 252 is equal to minus x plus 2. X come that side, x plus 14y minus 254 is equal to 0. This is the first equation of the normal. Now you can calculate at minus 2 minus second equation. Now now I will take this point y minus y1. So y plus 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 14 x plus 2. So it is 14y plus 84 is equal to minus x minus 2. So it is x plus 14y and this 2 comes here, 86 is equal to 0. X plus 14y plus 86 is equal to 0. Question 23. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles. Cut at right angles if 8k square is equal to 1. If 8k square is equal to 1. Suppose these are the two curves cut at right angles. If 8k square is equal to 1, the condition is given to you minus 1. Slope of these two curves is equal to minus 1. If 8k square is equal to 1, it means curves cut at right angle. अगर ये condition आ जाती है तो curve किस पे cut कर रहे हैं? Right angles पे. So first curve is x is equal to y square. Second curve is xy is equal to k. Put 1 into इसमें रख दीजिए. Put 1 into x की जगह y square into y is equal to k. It means y cube is equal to k. This implies y is equal to k to the power 1 by 3. This is the first point. Put in 1, you will get x. X is equal to k to the power 2 by 3. This is the second point. Now, I have to find the slope of first curve. Slope of first curve is equal to 1 is equal to differentiate equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So 1 is equal to 2y dy by dx. So this implies dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y. So dy by dx at x is equal to dy by dx at point k comma 2 by 3 comma 1 by 3 is equal to 1 upon 2 to the power 2 y की जगह क्या आ जाएगा k 1 by 3. So this is dy by dx at point k to the power 3 k1 by 3 is 2 k1 by 3. Now slope of this I will take m1. इसको नाम दे दीजिए m1. Slope of second curve. Slope of second curve. So differentiate with respect to x. This is second curve. xy is equal to k. First function differentiate of second plus second into differentiate of first, a का 0. So x dy by dx is equal to minus y. This implies dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. So this you can say that slope m2 नाम दे दीजिए dy by dx at point k to the power k की पावर 2 by 3 k की पावर 1 by 3 पे हो जाएगा ये माइनस k की पावर 2 by 1 by 3 अपॉन k की पावर 2 by 3. इसको ऊपर ले जाइए माइनस k 1 by 3 माइनस 2 by 3 it becomes माइनस k की पावर माइनस 1 by 3 it becomes minus 1 upon k की पावर 3. So this is m2. Now m1 into m2 is equal to given to you minus 1. What is m1? m1 is 1 upon 2k की पावर 1 by 3 into माइनस आगे ले लीजिए 1 upon k की पावर 1 by 3 is equal to minus 1. Cancelled out. Now cross multiply you will get 1 is equal to k की पावर k की पावर 1 by k की 2k की पावर 1 by 3. It is 2k की पावर 1 by 3. It 2k की पावर 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो ये आ गया 2k की पावर 1 by 3. Cube it you will get 1 is equal to 8k की पावर. जब इसको क्यूब करेंगे तो ये क्या आ जाएगा 8k की पावर. इसको क्यूब कीजिए 3 से 3 कट जाएगा 1 by 3. So it is and पावर ऐड हो जाती है 1 by 3 1 by 3 2 by 3. It is 2 by 3 and it is 8k square. 1 is equal to 8k square. बेस सेम होती है तो पावर ऐड हो गई 2 by 3 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई किया 1 is equal to 2k की पावर 2 by 3. If you cube it अगर वो क्यूब करेंगे तो इसका क्यूब और इसका क्यूब किया और 1 का क्यूब किया तो दिस कैंसिल आउट. 2 का क्यूब 8k स्क्वायर. Question 25. Find the equation of the tangent. Find equation of tangent to the curve y is equal to under root 3x minus 2 which is parallel to line 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now let the point be this is the curve and this curve tangent at this curve. Suppose tangent at this curve is parallel to the line. So slope of line is equal to slope of tangent. Slope of line is equal to slope of tangent given to you. So let the point be, ये जो पॉइंट है इसको ले लीजिए. let the point be x1 y1 so it satisfies the curve. So y1 is equal to under root 3x1 minus 2, equation 1. Now slope of tangent dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2 under root x का होता है 2 1 upon 2 root x, x की जगह है 3x minus 2 और 3x का करेंगे तो 3 minus 2 का 0. So dy by dx at point x1 y1 is equal to 3 by 2 under root 3x1 minus 2. Now we know that what is the slope of line, this you will give the name m, and slope of line it is m1, slope of line minus coefficient of x, that is minus coefficient of x minus 4 upon coefficient of y. Coefficient of x minus के साथ and coefficient of y minus 2, minus minus cancel, this is 2. So m1 is equal to 2. So m1 is equal to 2. So equate slope of tangent 3 upon 2 root 3x1 minus 2 is equal to 2. This is given to you. Slope of line is equal to slope of tangent. Now cross multiply, you will get 3 is equal to 4 under root 3x minus 1. Squaring both sides, square it both sides, you will get 3 का स्क्वायर 9, 4 का स्क्वायर 16 और रूट हट जाएगा 3x1 minus 2. Now you will get, if you multiply 9 is equal to 16, this is a 48x1 minus 32. 32 comes that side, it is 41 is equal to 48x1. This implies x1 is equal to 41 upon 48. Put in 1, you will get y1 is equal to under root 3 into 41 into 48 minus 2. This will cancel 16. So this implies 41 upon 16 LCM ले लीजिए and minus 32. So it is under root 9 upon 16. So y1 is equal to 3 upon 4. So point becomes 41 upon 48 and 3 upon 4. So equation of tangent y minus y1 is equal to, what is the slope? Slope is 2. Slope of line is equal to slope of tangent 2, x minus x1, 41 upon 48. Now take LCM, 4y minus 3 upon 4 is equal to 2, 48 LCM, 48x minus